In this video I am going to tell you how you can add featured image in your WordPress post using using code snippets plugin. So first of all, you need to install one plugin. You need to simply go to plugins and you need to install code snippets plugin. I will show you that plugin as well. The plugin is this one, code snippets. So make sure to install this plugin WordPress website and activate it. After that, you need to go to your code snippet plugin, and herein you can see snippet showing. You need to click on add new, and herein you need to enter one code. Herein you need to write just featured image, and herein you need to enter one code. I'll just show you the code. This is the code. You can just take a screenshot of this code because I cannot put this code in the description because it has angle bracket. So you can just take a screenshot of this code and you can just extract it from the screenshot. So this is the code. Just copy it and paste it here and click on this save article and activate. It is now active, featured image post, and after that it will show like this. This you can see featured image show like this for my post. If it does not show, sometime it does not show, what you need to do, you need to go to your post. Each post you need to just click on your post, click on edit, and after click on edit, just need to go to your post, click on edit, and after that you just need to click on this save button here. That's it, because sometime it takes time to after that just need to click on save button and it will be done. And in case its size does not show properly because sometimes it show very bigger size, then what you need to do, you need to change your coding. You need to add some code. What you need to do, you need to again go to your dashboard. If it shows a bigger size in featured image, you can decrease the size. You need to scroll down a bit and you need to go to the appearance option. In customize, you need to scroll down and look for the last option, additional CSS. Just tap on here and you need to enter this code here. You can just take a copy of this code. You can take a screenshot. I'll also show you that code in Notepad starting from .blog and till here. Just take a screenshot of this code only which is selected, and you can see this code and just click on this publish button. That's it. Now your everything will show properly and your post size will also get reduced. You can reduce your size from here. You can increase or decrease width or height from here according to your need. You can change it. There's no problem in changing it. Let me change it to 200, show like this. So there is no problem in changing your height and width accordingly. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.